Mangal Pandey attacked the British officers in Barakpur regiment. So he was being hanged to death, which happened in 1857. And March 29th March 1857 it happened. So many this created an anger in the minds of the soldiers. When he was hanged to death, many soldiers were very angry. Moreover, another incident happened, that was a new rifle or a new cartridge was introduced in the among the soldiers by the British. This new cartridge was having a cover which was made with the fat of pig and cows. So that cover has to be bitten, or it had to be bitten. It had to be bitten out and to use that to load in the rifle. So people were not ready, or soldiers were not ready to use or to bite it, because the fat of cow and pig, which was which was against their religious beliefs for Hindus and Muslims. That is why they were not ready to bite it and to load it in the rifle. So this new cartridge created some disagreement among the sepoys, or among the soldiers in the British army. So at last, this was very important reason for this mutiny. The sepoys were very angry. There were two reasons we have seen. One was Mangal Pandey, young soldier, was hanged to death. Another reason we have seen, that they had to use the new cartridge which was introduced by the British. So these two reasons moreover created lot of anger in the minds of the Indian soldiers. They started mutiny against the British. They marched from when they were not ready to use this, they attacked the British officers, and when British officers were attacked, many Indian soldiers were put in prison for 10 years in Meerut. So when many Indian soldiers were put in prison or jailed in Meerut, again they were angry with the British. The angry sepoys, they marched from their regiment to Meerut and released these soldiers who were imprisoned by the British. Moreover, they started attack on British officers. They found out their arms and ammunitions. They searched for the arms and ammunitions where they kept. They took it and they set fire on the British buildings. These all happened from the side of the Indian sepoys. And after that, they marched, after these all incident, they marched to Delhi. From Meerut to Delhi they marched. Wherever they marched, many people associated, or many people joined with them. And in Delhi also, the regiment who were in Delhi, they also joined in this rebellion or in this mutiny. And at last, when they reached to Delhi, they had gone to Red Fort, where Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, was at that time residing. They insisted Bahadur Shah Zafar to lead this revolt or lead this mutiny. He was, first instance, he was not ready, but at last the Indian soldiers, they forced him to join this revolt and to become the leader. He joined in this mutiny, and moreover he had written many letters to the small kings or small rulers who were ruling in the territories of the Mughals at that time. We had seen that Mughals had a very large territory in India, and many rulers and chieftains, they were ruling or looking after that territories. So Bahadur Shah Zafar, he had written the letters to these small kings or the rulers and chieftains to join in this confederacy, to join in this mutiny and to against the British. These all kings or the means rulers or the chieftains, they thought that if they would give a help to this mutiny, to the sepoys or soldiers and Bahadur Shah Zafar, they would against the British. Later, Bahadur Shah Zafar or the Mughal can rule the country, and by the time, if they rule the country, Mughals would rule the country, they would get their territory to rule, or they would get their territorial power again. That is why these rulers and chieftains, they had assisted this mutiny or the sepoys. So these all happened after this march from Meerut to Delhi. And when these all people or the sepoys, then the chieftains, etc., they marched and they attacked on the British officers, British buildings, attack on British army. They were against the British army. They disobeyed the British officers. This whole incident happened. So this was very important revolt, we can say, which happened in India at that time, and it was came to be known as the first war of Indian independence. So this mutiny, which later it became as a rebellion. First it started as a mutiny, later it became rebellion, and it was the first blow by the Indian people to the British territorial or British rule